Bougie peeps, it's your girl J Bougie, and I'm finally back with a new tutorial and an update on my hair. If you haven't yet, make sure you click that red button below and subscribe to your girl. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So guys, let's get started. Just give you a quick 1-minute update on my hair. So everybody remember, I chopped my hair, posted the video. That was shot back in January. It is now September 2020. My hair has been everything to me. I'm gonna show y'all a quick little update. It's not washed. I got a lot of requests about this hairstyle that I posted and people wanna know. So look y'all, it has grew like crazy, stuff in it. And when I say my hair is probably like down to, yeah, like right to my upper boob probably. Y'all, I know it look a little funky right now.
But look at my curls, y'all.
Wait till y'all see how it looks when it's wet up, y'all. It is so much better. Like, we down here. I'm still, this one part of my hair is still having its problems, but the rest of my hair works amazing. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I found my curl pattern and just been consistent with my hair. And today I'm gonna be using Shea Moisturizer's Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is their Strength and Restore line. So the two things you guys will need will be this and this. Because there's already Jamaican castor oil in that product, I'm not gonna be using my peppermint Jamaican castor oil, but I will be using some coconut oil. You can use one that you buy from Walmart that you cook with. And I'm also gonna be using some echo gel. So yeah guys, as you can see right now, I have my Afro pick and I'm just gonna pick through my hair. I will suggest that you may want to do sections because it'll make it much easier. But this time I didn't have enough time to do that. I did have things going on. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and pick through my hair. Try not to pull my hair. The less pull you do on your hair, the less shedding, the less split ends. Also, it's best to use your fingertips as well. You can add a little bit of oil and go up in there and start to separate the hair. I just want to get it loose as possible because when washing my hair, I do feel though once it's, I guess, picked through, you can say, because I do not really comb my hair out anymore. I use my denim brush for everything, but between brushing your hair out or picking it out, whatever you choose to do, I believe you get a better cleanse on your hair when shampooing. So guys, yeah, these last couple of months with dealing with natural hair, it has been a lot. Just to let you guys know, you have to be consistent with your natural hair because natural hair tends to become really dry. And you don't want your hair to be dry because then it'll break off and then that's how split ends happen. And it just be too much work, y'all. But in the end, it's worth it with the results that you get. So I enjoy my natural hair more than ever now. So guys, as you can see, I am probably about 95% done combing out my hair or picking my hair out. And this is what works for me. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready to shampoo it. I redid this side, washed it. This side's not washed yet, but it's wet. So I figured I'll go ahead and show you guys how I do it. So guys, I love to always put my hair in sections. Like I said, always makes it much easier. and I'm just gonna run my fingers through with the shampoo. Usually I will do this in the shower, just pour it right on top of my hair. But because I'm going to just show you how I do it. I usually run my fingers through first to get my hair detangled, and then I go in with my denim brush, starting from my ends to my roots, and just try to keep the process going and get my fingers through my hair. So you guys can get a better view, I decided to show you guys what I did for the other 3 sections on the front of my hair. And when I'm completely done getting my fingers all the way through, I'm going to 3-string twist my hair. I gotta say, guys, this is the best part about having natural hair, and I will recommend anybody to give it a try. The Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil is one of my favorite shampoos this far. As you guys can see, yes, I rinsed out my hair. My hair is really soft right now. I'm about to go in with some oil, which I usually don't do, but my hair is super dry. It's best not to use oil. Just use the product that you're going to use on your hair, because sometimes the oils that you use can block the product from doing the work it needs to do. But look at this. January to August, September, like, y'all, my hair has grown so much. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and break this hair down into sections. And I did put some coconut oil in there. Next time I won't. I usually do it last. Then I'm gonna use my denim brush and, brush my hair from my ends to my roots. And then I'm gonna use some Echo Gel. And then I don't know how to actually explain it. It's better if you watch it to see. But you're really just going to brush through and then you fill with your finger to separate the hair and twist it. I do not like doing it with a comb as far as parting it, because it just doesn't make it look more natural to me. Make it like you're twisting your hair for dreadlocks or something. So yeah, guys, you're just going to use your finger and twist the hair around your finger. Some might say I'm over twisting it. It's up to you how much you want to twist. You don't want to do too much because you can kind of pull your hair out some. But my hair is super long, so twisting it around and trying to make sure it doesn't twist with the other hair, it's like it tries to knot up. It's really hard. It's kind of hard to explain, but yeah, just going through my hair doing this. And I usually do my hair like this, I want to say once every 2 weeks. So yeah, guys, as you can see, I'm twisting it, and until I think it's twisted enough. I don't know how to actually explain it, but as I'm twisting it, I use my other finger to try to keep it separated. And like I was saying, yeah, I do this hairstyle at least every 2 weeks. And I usually wear it for about 3 days and then separate the curls and then style it for the next 4 days or so. And then for the ones that want to know how much product to put on your hair, it depends on the thickness of your hair, as far as how natural, how long it's been for you. For me, I feel like you have to play around with your hair. You never know the right amount until you test it out a couple of times. The first time is not perfect. The first time I did these was not perfect at all. Until I finally got the hang of it. And I still have some trouble sometimes, but guys, just look at my curls. I just be so in disbelief because my hair was not doing this like a year ago. I had so much heat damage. It just was crazy. So yeah guys, I already finished the back of my hair completely. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this part. This hairstyle usually takes about an hour and a half, 30 minutes for the shampoo, and the other hour for, detangling and the twist. I want to say if you do this, with no disruption, it takes that short of a time. If everyone's home with me, it usually takes me about 2 hours to do. And some people like to use rubber bands, hair clips as well. I like my roots puffy. And so I don't use rubber bands. Again, I haven't used heat in almost a year, and I just let it do its natural thing. I feel like doing too much clips and rubber bands and everything take away from your hair naturalism. I'm making up my own words, y'all, but yeah. So this is the section of my hair I was telling you guys about in the beginning of this video. It does not curl the best like the rest of my hair. It has a different pattern. And I believe I just have to work with a little bit longer because that's where most of the heat was put at in my hair. So it's just going to take a little longer. But as you can see, it may curl now, but the curls won't stay tight like the rest of my hair. But just going to continue to keep working with. Hopefully it progresses soon. Okay guys, as you can see, I am fully done. You can use a diffuser or a hair dryer and use cool air to, dry. I like mine to air dry, no heat on it, and that's what works for me as of now. But again, you can use a diffuser. But guys, look at my curls. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, make sure you click that red button below and subscribe to your girls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you back soon.